What is up, everyone? I hope you can hear me over the music. This is Ninja 75. I know I don't usually make Fortnite videos, but hell, I'm gonna make a video right now about my favorite Metallica song ever, lyrically that is. Master of Puppets. This is the official lyric video of Master of Puppets. It is an absolutely amazing video. It's an absolutely amazing song. I gotta tell you, man, I am such a huge fan of Metallica. They are my number one favorite band ever of all time and always will be. I do love Metallica something fierce. This is the official lyric video of Master of Puppets. It is an awesome video. There's a guitar right there. Holy shit. I'm so glad they finally made a video like this. This is my reaction to Metallica's Master of Puppets. I love this song. I love the lyrics. I love everything about it. I've heard it many times. I listen to it a lot. My absolutely number one favorite Metallica song ever, lyrically. My favorite instrumental by Metallica, in case you're curious, is Orion. I don't know if I mentioned that already, but it's Orion. You guys should check out Orion. I'll leave a link in the description below for, if I can, for the official, not official, but it's a music video creation by Landis Orion. It's of Orion, but it's an awesome video if you haven't seen it yet. Seriously. The video is 10 minutes long because it starts off slow. The song itself is only like 8 minutes and 20-something seconds long. 8 minutes, 30 seconds. No, that's Master of Puppets. It's only 8 minutes and 28 seconds long. Outside of that, I actually know that, right? Because I'm a huge Metallica fan. I've listened to so much Metallica, man. Metallica's got me through some of the worst times of my life. It's like Linkin Park. Linkin Park's my second favorite band ever. And they always will be. Especially since Chester Bennington committed suicide. Man, I gotta tell you, Chester Bennington, man, what hell of a singer, what hell of a guy. I cannot believe he committed suicide. I still cannot believe that. It's sad. It really is. Let's get back to the Metallica video. Oh my god, dude. Metallica, James Hetfield, Lars Ulrich, Chris Burton, and Kirk Hammett. They are the 4 members of Metallica that are in this video, that are performing the song in this video. God, I love Metallica. Now it's the only 2 members left that are original of Metallica, that are like the true OGs of Metallica, that have been in the band since the beginning, are James Hetfield and Lars Ulrich. And I absolutely love this band. I know everything there is to know about them. I know when they first started, their first album to their newest album, in order by the year it came out. Yeah, I'll make another video like that soon. But I've just got to say, man, this band is awesome. This is my favorite part of the song right here. This harmony. Oh my god, I love it. Constantly air guitaring it, man. You know, I've seen several reaction videos to Metallica's Master of Puppets, and they are just now learning what I've known for a long time. This is the best Metallica song ever made, lyrically. At least in my opinion. A lot of people, some people might disagree with me and say some of their newer stuff is better, bro, if you believe Metallica's newer stuff is better than their older stuff, I'm afraid I've got some bad news. Bro, Metallica's older stuff is so much better than the newer stuff. The Black Album was a great album, but after that album, oh my God, they started sucking. And they didn't get good again until 2016. Every album between Rise of the Black Album, between Load and Reload, and between Load and Hardwired to Self-Destruct. Hardwired to Self-Destruct was really good. I loved it. But it's not necessarily my favorite Metallica album. This is my favorite Metallica album ever. And my favorite Metallica song lyrically. But my favorite newer Metallica album is probably S&M 2. The second one they did with the San Francisco Symphony in 2020, 2 years ago. I do love this. This shit. Pardon my language, pardon my French, but this MFing amazing, man. Love it. Absolutely love it. I love this video, man. It's about time that, like, this video was posted, I don't know how long ago, but it's about time they made, like, an official lyric video Metallica did. About time. Man, I gotta tell you, I know so much about Metallica. Here's a little known fact about the band. I don't know if a lot of you, I know a lot of you metalheads that love Metallica may know this, but Dave Mustaine of Megadeth, who's in Megadeth right now, he was originally in Metallica. He was originally the lead guitarist before Kirk Hammett. That's why I didn't include Kirk Hammett in the OG members of Metallica, because he wasn't there at the beginning. And James Hetfield and Dave Mustaine got in a huge fight one day because Dave Mustaine was not able to hold his liquor on stage, and James Hetfield got really mad at him for it. They got in a huge fight. James broke Dave Mustaine's nose in the fight, and Dave Mustaine left the band, never came back. And I gotta tell you, like, the whole moral of that story is you gotta be, like, if you're in one of the most well-known and influential metal bands of all time, you gotta be able to hold your liquor on stage, bro. Or just don't drink before the show. Because honestly, that is bad. Alright. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. I will be making more Fortnite videos very soon and more videos like this. Oops, I did not mean to play this. App to watch movies for free. Hold on. I did not mean to play this. I meant to go to my recorder thing. Alright.